It's cleanup time, it's cleanup time. Let's put our things away. With gentle hands and happy hearts, we're cleaning up today. Pick up the blocks, one by one. Put them where they go. Books on shelves and toys in bins. Nice and neat and slow. Crayons in the box, caps on markers tight. Stack the puzzles too. When we tidy all our things, we help our classroom crew. Let's count down while we clean. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost done, just one more thing, then cleanup time is done. All cleaned up, hooray, hooray. Look around, so neat and bright. Our room is calm and cozy now. Everything feels just right.